Sometimes after you're done with the video analysis or video review, you may want to download the resources for that video for offline storage. To do that in Vosaic, simply click on the file icon, and then you have some options to download the video as an MP4 file, to download the overview report in a PDF. That file looks like this, where you have all of the moments and durations and tags and comments in a printable format. A CSV report that you can manipulate further in spreadsheet, video transcript as a text file, and a video transcript as a caption file that you can attach to the video for play with captions, and Studio Code timeline that you can import into your Studio Code project if you're still using Studio Code. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to download resources from Vosaic.